Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Are you wondering how to get the powerful Electro Dragon in Clash of Clans, especially looking ahead to 2025? Well, you're in luck because the way to unlock this magnificent flying unit hasn't changed. It's still the same reliable process, ensuring you can bring its chain lightning into battle. You just need to follow a few key steps in your village progression. Your primary goal should be upgrading your town hall to level 11. This is the fundamental requirement for accessing the Electro Dragon in your game. Without reaching Town Hall 11, you simply won't be able to begin the process. So, gather your resources, complete your existing upgrades, and prepare for this exciting leap forward. After your town hall reaches level 11, your focus shifts to the barracks. You'll need to upgrade one of your regular barracks structures to its 13th level. This crucial upgrade directly unlocks the ability to train Electro Dragons. Make sure to have enough elixir and builders ready, as this upgrade takes both time and resources to complete. Once unlocked, training Electro Dragons involves both elixir cost and a specific training time per unit. Each Electro Dragon also takes up 6 housing space in your army camps, so consider that when building your attack strategy. While they are powerful, they are not cheap or quick to produce. However, their devastating chain lightning ability often makes them well worth the investment. And there you have it. The only way to get the Electro Dragon in Clash of Clans in 2025 remains the same solid path. Focus on upgrading your town hall to 11, then get that barracks to level 13. From there, it's all about training these incredible units and unleashing their power on your opponents. Enjoy mastering these magnificent creatures in your battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.